We have a huge amount to be proud of in Ireland. We have a huge amount of success, and we are very open and understanding of the challenges that lie ahead. And that's why we need to ensure that our agencies are well resourced, well capable of meeting that challenge. And this report really sets out that.
We're really excited to be launching our new 5-year strategy today. In the long term, we believe that Irish enterprise can become the primary economic driver in the economy. And in terms of the particular sectors and so on, Enterprise Ireland is a multi-sectoral agency. So we work with companies across all sectors.
The Enterprise Ireland strategy is all about ensuring that the ecosystem for startups is the best it can possibly be. So it aims to pick off some of those barriers and some of those challenges, like providing the right sort of seed financing, like providing the right type of support to develop skills and teams.
We're looking really forward now to the next 5 years and being there to support the next 1,000 startups to make their way through the system and to thrive in overseas markets.